Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook one of the most popular Chinese fried rice. This recipe is fairly easy and the fried rice will taste so good. I hope you all like it. So now let's start cooking. We first need to chop some pork belly into small pieces. Prepare a pan and add a little cooking oil to it. Put the pork belly into the pan. Stir fry until the pork belly becomes slightly brown. In this way, it will taste like bacon, but actually better because it won't be as dry. Now we need to chop some spring onions. Also, mince some ginger. Add them into the pan. Stir fry again and soon you will be able to smell the flavor of spring onions. Now crack 2 eggs. Make some space for the egg and pour the egg into the pan. Now stir fry and mix well. When the egg is cooked, we can add rice. You can choose overnight rice if you prefer a dry texture, or you can choose newly cooked rice if you want it to be soft. Now make some space in the middle. Add 1 spoon of cooking wine. Mix well. Add 1 spoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of salt, some extra black pepper. Mix well and it is ready. Trust me, this tastes really amazing. This is today's cooking recipe. If you like it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I'll see you guys soon.